プレイステーション。
There's so much rain. Hey, Peach, there's so much rain out there. Huh. It's been raining like that for 2 freaking days. Yeah, and plus, there's supposed to be a thunderstorm tonight with loud bang noise all night. That doesn't sound good. Nope, it doesn't at all. What were we talking about again? I don't know. Whoa, did you see that? Ah! Ah! I'm scared, Mom. We're scared too. We're not. I think the storm is beautiful. Storms are beautiful. Uh-huh. They're too loud and too scary. There's nothing to be afraid of, girls. The storm will be over by tomorrow. Now, come on. It's time to go to bed. Aww. Yep, bedtime. Night-night time. Okay. You too, boys. Okay. We'll go to bed. Okay, bro. You ready to go to bed? No. This face is not tired yet. Well, too bad. It's time to go to bed. But Baymar, I can't sleep. Well, first we have to put the girls to bed first. So you can stay up a little bit. I'll be right here. Alright. Come on, girls. Okay. I can't sleep. Come on, we have to get some sleep. So you have lots of energy in the morning. But what if you get scared because of the storm? You just have to be brave. That's how you deal with the storm. Okay? Okay. Good. Good night. Snug as a bug in the rug. Huh? What was that? I don't know. Huh? I'm so scared. Boys, wake up. What? What's the matter? Something's... There's a little bangs noise. Oh, it's just a storm. It's okay, okay? Okay. It's not. Oh, don't cry. It's okay. Brother, I'm so scared. Oh. It's okay, little sister. Don't cry. Oh. Here, want some milk? Okay. Okay, come on. Okay. We'll be right there with you. Oh, okay, bro. Bearsley, what's wrong? Daisy, it's just a bad storm. I know it's scary. Here, come with me. Where are we going? I'm going to get you some milk, okay? Oh, okay. It's okay, Baby Peach. You don't have to be scared of the storm. But I'm so scared. Don't be scared. It's okay. I know you're scared. Maybe milk will calm you down. Maybe. Here, you sit right here, okay? Okay. Let's see. Milk. Well, here it is. Baby Peach's bottle. Milk. That should calm her down. Oh, it's okay. This will help you calm down. Oh my! It's dark and scary. It's okay. Hold up. I'll turn on the light. Ah, that's better. Oh, don't cry. Ooh, milk. Yep, milk. See, that calms you down. You okay? Oh. Oh. What's wrong, baby Daisy? I'm so scared about that store. Don't cry. It's okay. Maybe milk will help you. Okay. Time to get you some milk. What? Baby Mario, is that you? Luigi, what are you doing? Huh. It's excuse you. Huh. What's going on? Oh, that answered your question. Yep. Baby just scared of the storm. Mine too. My sister's scared of the storm. I was gonna give her milk. She can have that because Baby Peach is full. Oh, milk. What? I guess that makes me a little better. Yep, see? Hey, don't cry. Oh, come on, it didn't work. What's wrong with the storm anyway? It's too scary and too loud. Uh-huh. We're sorry we woke you up. It's okay. Okay? Boys, what are you doing up? What? Oh no. We're busted. Guys, what are you doing up so late? Sorry, but the... No, please no. Oh, I can't. Oh, it's so scary. Oh, that answered your question? Yup. The girls were so scared about the storm. Well, how was supposed to make them feel better? Because of the storm. Oh, it's so loud. Oh. We gotta do something for them. that's a wet one. Uh, that's better. Oh no. Don't tell me she pooped. Go change her. Oh well. I'll be right back. Well, at least she didn't do it. Oh yes. Great. I'll be right back. At least you don't poop. Right? Uh-huh. Oh. Oh no. Please don't hurt me. Don't worry, I won't hurt you. It's okay. You ready for me to change your diaper? Uh-huh. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm finally done changing you. How you feel? A little better. Because of the storm? Mm-hmm. Don't cry. Oh. Well, Auntie Daisy, I changed Baby Peach's diaper, but she still had it inside. Oh. Well, okay, what's going on? I finished changing her, but she's still acting sad because of the storm. Well, we can take us back to our bedroom and see what we can do. Good idea. Let's go. Well, Baby Peach, you don't have to cry. I changed your diaper. Do you feel better? Mm-hmm. I do. And plus the storm is dying down. Oh, I guess so. I bet you're ready to go back to sleep. Uh-uh. What's wrong? I don't want to go back to sleep. It might be another bang noise. I'll just rock you until you fall asleep. Oh, oh, okay. Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Are you having the election? Sort of. Okay. Great. Okay, we need a plan to get them to sleep. Right. Okay. Do you miss my old fan? Why do my white one has to break? Ah, that's better. Okay, I turned the fan. It's a little loud, but for recording or something, the sound. But you get the point. Okay. Oh, relax. Oh. Good night, guys. Oh. Bro, what'd you do? Nothing. Bro, what'd you do? I did absolutely nothing. Boys, wait. Yes, Auntie Daisy? The sound of the fan made them feel relaxed. When you feel relaxed, you get very tired. Hey, you know what? I need to get some sleep too. Here's Bay Rosalia. Good night, you guys. Good night, Auntie Daisy. Yep, good night. At least we can finally get some sleep, since the girls were finally asleep, and the storm finally slowed down, and it's finally get to shut up. Right. Good night, girls. Good night. Hey, Bay Mario, one more thing before we end this video. Sure, what is it? Well, I never know being afraid of the storm will be in a frightened. Well, it does, but luckily we got over. I'm sure we get over it. Yeah. Well, good night, Bay Witchy. Good night, Bay Mario.